gonna start off by curling my hair. I already pretty much straightened my roots and everything after I blew it out. So now I'm just gonna go in with my flat iron and I'm gonna do like some flat iron curls. Turn it. It's just really a bounce. Okay, so now I'm just gonna grab this, right? And I'm gonna put the flat iron that way and just that's a big curl. I'm gonna take my hot comb and I'm just gonna kind of want to give it a bit of a lift. So I'm just gonna get like my hairline. Because like I think a big part about this hairstyle is like how sharp the part is. It has to be like a dramatic side part. So I think that's good enough. And then I'll just use my hot comb to define the part a little bit more. Make sure it stays this way. And then with my flat iron, I'm gonna take the bangs, I'm gonna separate it in two, put it behind the hair, wrap it once and bring it down. And this one, we're gonna put it under the hair, we're gonna lift it, right, midway, and then we're gonna bring it back on the ends down to give it that lift, but still make it go like back away from the face instead of on the face. What I will do is just have like a higher part. So instead of starting my first part super like low and close to the nape, I'm just gonna clip my hair higher. So I'm gonna have like more space and then I'll clip my hair that way. And when I do bring my hair up, you won't fully see the extension. Like, yeah, I'm gonna leave some pieces down, but it's gonna cover the tracks and you'll see what I mean at the end. So that's what I'm gonna do with the rest of my hair, and then I'll show you when I put it up. So now I have my extensions in, and I know it looks like super dramatic because the curls don't match and the hair is not matching right now. It's like very, I curled it separately, so I knew it was gonna happen. But the reason I did that is because I just need the volume that it comes with since I'm gonna put my hair up. Yeah guys, this is just a quick tip. If you're trying to get some volume and hold it, it'd be good to do this with hairspray, but either way, like you see that little dent that I have right there? That's the volume. So you grab it and you clip it with a clip and you just kind of preserve that there. Okay, so now this is the true test. Will my hair go up or won't it? We shall see. I'm gonna get a rubber band and I'm just gonna flip my hair down and bring it up so that I can do the updo, and then I'm gonna use some bobby pins to kind of put it all together. All right, so here's the rubber band that I'll be using today. It's a pretty big rubber band, but it works just fine. And then I'll be using like my bag of bobby pins that I use for my clients. I'm using stuff from my hair kit, but oh well. Okay. So now the trick here is I want to leave some hair out. So I'm not going to put everything up because like I said, I just want to leave some things out to kind of make it piecey. So we're just going to take some pieces, and if we have to recurl, that's totally fine, no big deal. We're going to leave the bang out, of course, and then we're going to try to take some hair out like from the sideburn. And you see how much volume that's giving? So I like to do the ponytail halfway, since the clip-ins only give me room to do that, honestly. Like it's a mid pony. You can see here, you can see like an entire track, but it's a mid pony, and then we'll work around the extensions. Now, for the hair that's on the side that we're not trying to show the extensions, we gotta hide it. And for that, I'll use my other mirror so I can look in the back. But since I can also use my touch, I can tell. Now this is the trick. I love to do this because you don't need to tease your hair to give it volume. All you have to do is lift a few pieces to kind of give it that height. And then on the sides, I'll just do like, if it's too loose on the sides, looser than I want it, I'll cover the extension, and then I'll just pin. Cover the extension and pin to tighten the sides a little bit more. what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a bottom piece from the ponytail and then wrap it around the black band to hide it. So we're gonna take this much. Just gonna wrap it just in case it wants to show at all. And then we're just gonna use a bobby pin, and we're gonna pin it. Pin that hair around. Now we're gonna split the ponytail in two. We're gonna take the top part and we're gonna just bring it up like this. And with that top part, it gives you like some hair up top. We're gonna take the bobby pins and we're just gonna pin down that center part, right? The bottom part. So I'm just pinning away right now. Okay. My arms hurt. Alright, and now we have this hair here. Okay, doesn't want to curl. Is it too hot? No. Then we're going to take out another piece and we're just going to curl it too. Like literally just pieces. Gonna make it a little piecey. And we're going to curl those pieces.
Curl, curl, curl.
We are going to take most of this hair, like half of it, and we're gonna bring it back behind our ear. We might put this behind the ear, to be honest. And then I'll just pin it and try to hide it inside of the hair so the pin is not just showing there. And then we're just gonna work on the edges. But for now, let's just work on these little side piece right here. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel because I will be posting every week on beauty and lifestyle tips. And I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day. I will see you next time. Bye!